YouTube channel, AC Electrical 111. Very important topic for electrical students. Today, discuss motor, generator, MG, AC DC, transformers, alternator and others electrical components work on which laws? 1. Motor and generator work on the principle of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. 2. DC motor and generator operates on the principle of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. According to Faraday's law. 3. Fleming's right-hand rule is used in DC generators to determine the direction of induced current in the conductors. 4. The direction of rotation of the DC motor conductor can be determined by Fleming's left-hand rule. 5. Transformer works on Faraday's law of mutual induction. 6. An autotransformer is a single-winding transformer that operates on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. 7. Lenz's law. Lenz's law states that the polarity of induced EMF. 8. According to the laws of Faraday, the induced EMF in the conductor, dynamically induced EMF, is the name given to this induced EMF. The generator. 9. Statically induced EMF. The transformer works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and mutual induction. 10. Induction motor which works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. 11. EMF in any electrical machine is always governed by Faraday's law and Lenz's law. 12. Right-hand thumb rule is also known as Maxwell's corkscrew rule. 13. Shaded pole motor Lenz's law. The resulting current in the shading coil opposes the flow change. 14. Ohm's law gives a relation between current and voltage. Voltage, current and resistance works on the principle of Ohm's laws. Ohm's law is as fundamentally important as Einstein's relativity equation. 15. Kirchhoff's first law is the current laws. Kirchhoff's second law is the voltage laws. 16. Kirchhoff's laws, one for voltage and one for current, determine what a connection between circuit elements means. 17. Direction of magnetic lines around the current-carrying conductor CSN be determined by Maxwell's corkscrew rule. 18. Self-induced EMF according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. 19. Counter-electromotive force can be determined by Lenz's law. 20. Permanent magnet moving coil instrument work on the principle DC motor. 21. An alternator or synchronous generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. 22. The working principle of the universal motor is like a DC series generator. Any questions? Comment box is yours. Thanks for watching video.